Welcome back! In this video, we'll cover how to run reports in Gradelink's lunch ordering system and take a look at what the reports provide. While we previously saw the back-end forms for lunch reports that should not be modified, we'll now take a look at the front-end report generator. The report generator is located on a hidden private page that can only be accessed by logging into a lunch administrator account. This is to ensure complete protection of your student data. Once you've accessed the page, you'll need to put in the email address that you want to send the report to, select a report type, and enter the required dates. Once you submit the form, the report you requested will automatically be sent to the email address you specified. The daily report contains a list of students grouped by grade level with their lunch selection for that particular day, as well as lunch totals for each grade level. The monthly report contains the totals for each lunch item for each day in the date range that was requested. These reports make gathering lunch counts for cafeteria planning and ordering lunches for the school simple. The lunch system also has the option to automatically send out a report for a specified time period using the automatic month report generator. By default, this option is turned off. However, you can request that it be turned on and configured by contacting our website support team. Lastly, there may be cases in which you want to view individual entries. To do this, simply hover over the lunch order form and click Entries. This officially concludes the course for Gradelink's lunch order system. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for joining us for this course